Structure skills. Use adjective clause connectors correctly. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause, it is a clause that describes a noun. Because the clause is an adjective, it is positioned directly after the noun that it describes. Let's see some examples. The woman is filling the glass that she put on the table. In the first example, there are two clauses. Woman is the subject of the verb is filling, and she is the subject of the verb put. That is the adjective clause connector that joins these two clauses, and the adjective clause that she put on the table describes the noun glass. The glass that she put on the table contains milk. In the second example, there are also two clauses. Glass is the subject of the verb contains, and she is the subject of the verb put. In this sentence also, that is the adjective clause connector that joins these two clauses, and the adjective clause that she put on the table describes the noun glass. In this example, you should notice quickly that there are two clauses. Gift is the subject of the verb was, and the verb selected needs a subject. Because there are two clauses, a connector is also needed. Answers A and C have connectors, but there are no subjects, so these answers are not correct. Answer B changes selected into a passive verb. In this case, the sentence would have one subject and two verbs, so answer B is not correct. The best answer to this question is answer D. The correct sentence should say, the gift which we selected for the bride was rather expensive. In this sentence, gift is the subject of the verb was, we is the subject of the verb selected, and the connector, which joins these two clauses. Structure skills. Use reduced adjective clauses correctly. What is a reduced adjective clause? Adjective clauses can appear in a reduced form. In the reduced form, the adjective clause connector and the be verb that directly follow it are omitted. See some sentences. Each of these sentences may be used in the complete form or in the reduced form. In the reduced form, the connector who, which, or that is omitted along with the be verb is or was. If there is no be verb in the adjective clause, it is still possible to have a reduced form. When there is no be verb in the adjective clause, the connector is omitted and the verb changes into the ing form. The woman waving to us is the tour guide. The letter written last week arrived today. The pitcher on the table is full of iced tea. Structure skills. Use reduced adverb clauses correctly. What is a reduced adverb clause? Adverb clauses can also appear in a reduced form. In the reduced form, the adverb connector remains, but the subject and be verb are omitted. If there is no be verb in the adverb clause, it is still possible to have a reduced form. When there is no be verb in the adverb clause, the subject is omitted and the main verb is changed into the ing form. The following chart lists the structures for reduce adverb clauses and which adverb clause connectors can be used in a reduced form. Thanks for watching.